Since the beginningless time, we have been deeply trapped in the immense ocean of suffering and samsara. All beings in the three realms have the 84,000 different types of afflictions, including desire, anger, and ignorance, which are the cause of being's illness. Besides, they have also been tormented by the fruit of these afflictions, the three kinds of suffering. Some people believe they are fortunate enough to be exempted from these three sufferings. In fact, if you know the nature of samsara, you will know that, however happy you seem to be now, you won't avoid suffering unless you attain realization, which is the only way to enjoy great bliss in the only worldly and transcendental manner. Our mind is wrapped by the darkness of ignorance, so the light of wisdom and compassion never shines. Therefore, we must first realize that we are critically ill. The person will then follow the doctor's advice, take the prescribed medicine, and do all they can to get cured.